Hey peeps, you know who this is right here? It's your boy Cooking with Ron, yeah. I told you I cracked my own self up. So anyway, I'm decided I need more protein in my life. And so I was looking around, like you go to the stores and they charge you an arm and a leg for a little bit of something, a pre-mixed bottle. So I decided, let me go look at Amazon, see what they had. And I bought this. Oh my gosh. Whew. Jeez Louise. That's tough. Okay. See what this is? Oh, let me see if I show you. Protein shake, 30 grams of protein and 6.2 grams of BCAAs. It is post Fruity Pebbles flavored. Now, when I got this, you know what the first thing came to mind? Sugar. Knowing how sweet Fruity Pebbles are. But if we look down here on the sugar, if you look carefully, it's only 1 gram of sugar. Then I got me curious. How could something with 1 gram of sugar actually taste like? And you know, with your boy Cooking with Ron, I had to find out. Now, this is going to be a little warm, so they don't need to be refrigerated. Oh, geez, it smells just like Fruity Pebbles. You want to smell? Oh, I forgot. That technology is not here yet. Oh, that's Fruity Pebbles. Have you ever eaten Fruity Pebbles and you taking the milk right before you drink it and you take a good whiff of it? That's what this smells like. Fruity Pebble milk. That's what it tastes like. I'll be darned. It literally tastes like Fruity Pebbles. I'm highly impressed because most things I'm thinking Fruity Pebbles and it's probably gonna taste like backwash. But it really tastes like Fruity Pebbles. And I believe this is on sale Amazon Prime for like $13 and you get a box of 12. It is 160 calories, but it does have, but it's only 0.5 grams of saturated fat, 3 grams of fat, cholesterol 20 milligrams, which is 7% of the daily income. Salt's a little high, it's 230 milligrams, which is 10% of your daily income. Carbs is 2 grams of carbs. See, this is what trips me out. Okay, no dietary fiber and 30 grams of protein, which is 60% of your daily intake. It has 6 mcgs of D, 650 milligrams of of calcium. Yes, calcium. You know that stuff that keeps your bone nice and hard. 1.8 grams of iron and potassium, 210 milligrams, which is 4% of your daily intake. Wow. And a bunch, it has vitamin A. Oh, good guys. It is just full of goodness. I may have to take a picture of this and enlarge it somehow and put it in the video. But it has vitamin A, E, let's see what else. This is good for your fingernails. Biotin. Good gracious. They got a CK, riboflavin, B6, B12. Even they got zinc in it. A little bit of copper. Oh, this has everything a young person could drink. And you know something? It tastes good, and it's not that. The sugar and the carbs are well within the reasons of being a diabetic. So this could be your diabetic friend. See, you take one. It's only 160. You take one of these for breakfast, maybe one for lunch. Let me not start on that again. But I am highly impressed. that this actually tastes like Fruity Pebbles. Yes, Fruity Pebbles. It tastes like Fruity Pebble milk. If you ever had the milk in the Fruity Pebble and you drank it, that's what you're drinking right here. But it doesn't have all the sugar that Fruity Pebbles have. And I don't know how they did it. If this is just they just lied on here. But I'm telling you, this is absolutely delicious. You need to go get you some if you like Fruity Pebbles. I give this a solid 9. Yes, a solid 9. This is solid 9. So go ahead and my review for this. Go grab you some while it's still on Amazon Prime, because I think they go up to $23 afterwards. But even then, you get 12 of them. That's less than $2 a bottle. And one of these, I'm telling you, I bought them from the store. They range anywhere between $6 and some change to about $3. So even if you bought this and bought a 12-pack of it, you still come out cheaper ordering it. And if you have Prime, it ain't gonna cost you nothing extra. And you'll get it the same day, the next day. I think I got mine that morning, and I ordered it late that evening. And I'm not promoting Amazon Prime, but this is good. So that tells my review of this. They call it performance protein shake, but I'm telling you, it's mouth watering to the mouth. And if I don't like protein shakes because they taste nasty, but I can get used to this real quick. And at the price they're selling it for, even if it goes up to $23, which I don't think it's that high. I think it's less than that, but it's on sale for $13. I think I would buy these on the regular, just so when I go to work and I have my lunch or whatever, I can throw it in my bag, quick meal in meal in a bottle. And for you guys that love that sugary taste, it's not overly bearing, but it gives you that, yeah, that's sweet, yeah. But it's guilt-free. So go get your body. All right, that is my review on this Fruity Pebbles High Performance Protein Shake. You got to go get you one. It's absolutely delicious. I would not lie to you. Well, I would lie to you, but I'm not lying this time. I'm just joking. Oh, guys. All right, family. Yeah, take care of yourself. Until next time. Cooking with Ron.